Now let's go ahead and fix that problem. So we know that we need the following. One, we need a new collection in which we will add the other two collections. The new collection, we'll name it the displayed collection. And then the other two collections are the collection of households that are existing, the one that we query. And then the second collection is the new collection, the new households that are getting created. So let's create that new collection first. Let's say record collection variable underscore households to be displayed. And then this is a collection of accounts. And on the data table that we display the households, and instead of just displaying the ones from the get, we're going to display that new one, households to be displayed. It's currently empty. So there are two places. One is after the get and the other one is after the create of new household. So we're going to add any new households to that collection, and then we're going to add anything from get to that collection as well. Let's do the get first. After the get households, we're going to say add existing households to display collection. And this is the display collection, and then add output from get households. So we're taking the list of households that we query, the ones that are existing, and we're adding them into this new collection. Now, if the user is doing this for the first time before they create new households, then that's going to display the existing households just fine. And then the user might click new households. After they add new households, we need to also add that list of new households into the same collection. So we're going to do the same thing here. We can actually just copy this element and then paste it here. You could paste it after the create or before. I'm doing it after in case we need to reference the IDs. Let's say add new households to the collection. That's the same collection, but this time we are not adding the ones from get, but rather we are adding the new households collection. That's the one that we are creating here, new households. So then we are adding them to the same collection. Okay, now let's click save and let's test that. New, and let's click new households, and let's say test Y, and let's say test Z. Now let's see, do we see test Y and test Z here? That's good. This is working as expected. Now let's fix one additional thing. I would like this alpha to show up at first. So we need to sort these by names alphabetically. What we're going to do here is right before the screen element, we're going to sort that collection that is being displayed in here. So we're going to add a collection sort, and let's say sort households, and then we're going to select the displayed household, and then let's select name, account name, and let's I have no idea. I think maybe ascending or descending. I am not sure. I always get confused about these. Let's save this for a second. But one thing here, this is going like here we add the existing households to a collection and then we sort them. But you notice now this here, this path, after we add new households, it's going to go back to the screen right away. I don't want to the screen right away. I don't want it to go to the screen. I want it to get sorted first before it goes to the screen. So I'm going to reroute this to go to the sorting first, and then after the sorting, it's going to go to the screen. Save. And let's debug. We're just wanting to make sure now that it is sorted alphabetically. Okay. It's definitely the opposite. Needs to be in an ascending manner. Ascending, save. And debug. And this is working as expected now.